Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Spanish ebook before it's gone.
¿Cómo estás? How are you? ¿Cómo estás? Which is, how are you? ¿Cómo estáis? Are you fine? So, for example, when you meet a friend, you would say, Hola, ¿cómo estás? I think you can use it with almost everyone. Like, it's not like super informal or anything, so. ¿Cómo te llamas? What's your name? ¿Cómo te llamas? What's your name? Mi nombre es Rosa. My name is Rosa. What's your name? Tell me. Are you Bob? Or maybe Christine? ¿Cuál es tu número de teléfono? What's your phone number? The next question is, ¿cuál es tu número de teléfono? What's your telephone number? My telephone number is 621. No. In Spain, the telephone code, my country code is 34. ¿Cuándo es tu cumpleaños? When is your birthday? ¿Cuándo es tu cumpleaños? When is your birthday? So, mi cumpleaños es el 21 de noviembre. My birthday is the 21st of November. When is yours? Tell me. I'm going to guess when your birthday is, so maybe the 2nd of May? ¿Qué tipo de música te gusta? What type of music do you like? ¿Qué tipo de música te gusta? What type of music do you like? So, do you like pop, rock, hip hop, R&B, reggae? I don't know. Tell me. ¿De dónde eres? Where are you from? ¿De dónde eres? Where are you from? Yo soy de España. So tell me where you're from. Maybe you're from Italy or from the United States. ¿Dónde aprendiste español? Where did you learn Spanish? ¿Dónde aprendiste español? Where did you learn Spanish? I learned Spanish at home. Where did you learn it? Maybe at a class or with these videos, maybe? Bueno, good. This food is very good. Esta comida está muy buena. The weather is not very good today. El tiempo no es muy bueno hoy. Malo, bad. The next one is malo, which means bad. The witch in that tale is very bad. La bruja en ese cuento es muy mala. Do you think there are good and bad people? ¿Piensas que hay gente buena y mala? Este estofado está muy malo. This stew is very bad. Poco, little bit. The next one is poco, which means a little bit. I want a bit of this, please. ¿Quiere un poco de eso, por favor? You eat too little. Comes demasiado poco. Mucho, a lot of. ¿Cocinaste mucha comida? You cooked a lot of food. Me gustaría tener mucho tiempo. I would like to have lots of time. Te quiero mucho. I like you a lot. Gustar, like. The next one is gustar, which means like. I like you. Me gustas. Me gusta pasear. I like going for a walk. Dar, give. The next one is dar, which means to give. I give you my favorite book. Te doy mi libro preferido. I like a lot Haruki Murakami's books. You can also say te doy las gracias. For example, if you want to give a present, you don't really know what to give, you can give them a box of chocolates. Tú das una caja de bombones. They'll be happy receiving them. Trabajar, work. The next one is trabajar, to work. I work as a secretary. Trabajo de secretaria. I work a lot. Trabajo mucho. Oír, hear. The next one is oír, to hear. You are receiving sounds, but it doesn't mean that you are like paying a lot of attention to that. I hear the birds when I wake up. Oigo a los pájaros cuando me levanto. Por favor, please. The next one is por favor, which means please. So if you want to ask for a favor to someone, you would say por favor. Por favor, suscribiros a este canal. Please subscribe to this channel. Perdón. Sorry. The next one is perdón, which is sorry. If you haven't heard something properly and you want the other person to repeat it, you can say perdón. Lo siento. Sorry. The next one is lo siento. I'm sorry. So if you did something wrong, that's what you say. So, for example, if you get late to class, you would say to the teacher, "Lo siento, bienvenidos, welcome." The next one is bienvenidos, which is welcome, bienvenido. If someone is coming to your house, you can say bienvenidos. ¿Cómo estás? How are you? The next one is ¿cómo estás?, which means how are you? It's not a formal way to say it, but maybe a more informal way would be ¿qué tal? But yeah, I think you can use ¿cómo estás?, like with almost everyone. Like sometimes when you ask ¿cómo estás?, you want like a more in-depth answer. Like you don't want a simple I'm fine, but you really want to know how that person is. But maybe ¿qué tal? Is more casual, and it's just like you just want to hear I'm fine, thank you. For example, if you ask someone ¿cómo estás?, that person could tell you I'm not very good, I lost my job and I'm trying to find a new one, but something like that. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. I am a bit shy, I don't know.